So, hello everyone, and do you know this airplane? Did you buy this, guys? It's COVID-19 today, but it's very good because I think it was very easy to buy it. And how expensive is this?
No, it's not expensive. It's, how much is it, Mama?
Is it free?
It's £10, I think.
Wow, £10.
Yeah.
It's almost like £20 because 10 at 10 is 20.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I got this one, and do you know this one? It can is free in one because it can. You can choose. There is.
Build, you can build 3.
Yeah, 3 stuff, and then like it. Wait, let me show you the box. See this one,
Okay.
and then this one I've already built, and then this one.
Okay.
Okay, and then there is also 3 guides, but they're not stick together, or it will make a big map. Like you have to mix them up. And see this? There is 3 guides. 1, 2, 3. But
Mama, can we put this one in the box?
Huh?
The remaining one we put in the box.
No.
what? I think we have to keep the box.
Yeah.
So this airplane is very cool, and oh yeah, did you remember this circle thing over here? It was from the monster truck. Just wait, it's the same thing like this one.
Okay.
See that, guys? Wait. See those 2? I said comments below, and then I don't really know what is it, but I know what is it now. If I just land, it'll make it protect, so it will be the same height. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So when it bounces, it will protect it. See these? It's the same side.
Okay.
So this can actually land, but the wheels are moving, and the engine. This is the engine moving, and then this is the window, and that's the front, and also this is the back. But it's very cool. And I think how long I built this?
Maybe
1 hour or 2 hours?
Not 1 hour. Maybe you build it 30 minutes. Not even 1 hour.
Oh, 30 minutes? How come?
Huh?
Oh yeah, I remember now. It's very quick.
Yeah.
But I really like this. But there's also some more. There is some more of it. Wait, let me see at the back of them. Okay, so look, you can buy a house with the toy airplane, and then you can buy a big monster truck with the burger van, and then they need actually a ladder. I think it'll be long to build this.
Alright.
And then I got the booster one. It's very cool.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and I saw the dragon is firing. Oh yeah, and also there's a car smash from the monster truck. And then look at this. Wow, it's very cool.
Okay.
Do you know the things that the thing is actually going up a little bit? See those little blue things? And when do you know I really like a passenger passenger plane.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, and this is the one that I already buy it now. Because look at the front of it. See? This one.
Mm.
Well, this plane is very, very cool.
Mm-hmm.
And it's £10. So if you go low for money, but I don't really know. Did you finish all of the money?
Yeah, I don't have money now.
Okay, so my dad just have.
For me.
Oh yeah, you forgot the limousine.
Because the limousine is very expensive, man.
So I think you got £30 now because.
No, the limousine is £50. That's so expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay, you finish?
look at this. This is very cool.
Yeah, your
So-
video now is too long.
So do you know what is 40? I mean no 30 at 20 is 50.
Very good.
But the limousine toy is very, very, very expensive, guys.
Mhm.
Okay? And I got Bukanoi. So what will Bukanoi said? What did you said? Oh yeah, he said this toy is £1 billion. Think if he's right or wrong.
Mhm.
Okay? Think carefully. Right now.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So is it £1 billion or is it £10? Think.
Okay, you
Think
finish, yeah?
carefully. Oh yeah, you're right. You're actually right. It's
Okay.
£10. So bye. See you later for next episode. Bye.